Hi, this is a quick update video and it's going to tell you why Season 3 is not started and when it will be starting. Season 3, if you haven't seen my videos, is my solo build house in Novgorod, in a place called Starry Russia. Let me just jump across this river here if I can. Dog's splashing about underneath me. So, the reason we're still in St. Petersburg is that we still have some legalities to do with our house in St. Petersburg after all these years, and also the van broke down and some other stuff as well, so we haven't made the trip up to Novgorod as of yet. Hopefully we'll be going in the next very short time. Basically everything's sorted out now, almost. There's still a few hitches, but most of it's sorted out, and we should be on our way to Novgorod to start Season 3 of our build in the very, very short future, as in the next week or two. Tomorrow is car hunting. Once we've got a car, basically we have to get registered and a few of the bits and pieces that you do with new cars, and then we'll be on our way. So hopefully, I'm hoping from the date of this video release, which is today, whatever date it's today, that will be about 7 days and we shall be in Novgorod. Obviously the first videos won't start, they'll come a bit later as I actually do something, but the sort of arrival video and all that will all be coming out as soon as we get it recorded. If we arrive on the Monday, probably the video will be out on the Wednesday, something like that. Not sure on the posting schedule. I had some ideas, but kind of I'm chopping and changing my mind every 5 minutes about what I'm going to do. But it's probably going to be one build video a week, one of my wife's videos per week, followed by a daily blog live stream every day, every morning, every evening, followed by a live stream around the town where we're building our house and stuff like that. So that's a very busy schedule. Few things haven't gone right so far. I did get a drone. The camera on it wasn't good enough. Got another drone and it's just useless. We changed the motors. I've been waiting for the motors for ages and it's still useless. So yeah, okay, didn't work out so well. So that's how it is so far. We're waiting to get a vehicle now and then we'll be on our way, and Season 3 is going to start. This is a lovely forest of St. Petersburg where our first house in the forest is. This is actually House in the Forest Mark II we're building in Novgorod. But anyway, okay, that's about all I've got to say. I just want to do this update rather than a live stream like I usually do, so for all those who don't watch live streams and watch videos, you've got something. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.